January 29th, 2010. Just a little after 9 a.m. We had about a ½ inch of ice. Right now we've got some snow coming down. Just changed over from some sleet. And you can see the car had about a ½ inch of ice with sleet on top. It took me about 10 minutes, but I managed to get most of the ice cleared off my doors and windows. And trick I used, get one of your washer fluid jugs filled up with some hot water, not boiling hot water, but just enough hot water that's just warm enough from your sink. If it's too hot, you might risk cracking your windows. I wouldn't experiment to find out. Anyways, got my defroster going, getting the rest of my windows cleared off. We should be underway here pretty soon. See, some pretty scenery with some birds, snow coming down. I'm traveling on Highway 44, interstate. Good thing to keep a distance between cars. Try to stay well below the speed limit for normal driving speeds. As you can see, I'm doing about 35 to 40 miles an hour. Heading off on the Yale exit, 51st Street. Recommend use extreme caution when turning. Don't hit your accelerator very hard. And keep plenty of distance between the vehicle that might be coming in the direction of the highway that you're turning onto. About to come up on 31st and Yale. Snow's lightened up just a bit, but there is still some coming down. Up at 21st and Yale. The road's not as clean up here. A lot more icing has occurred. It's usually because also there's a lot more snow up here. The snow started up in North Tulsa, of course, and it hit South and East Tulsa. Other useful things to provide plenty of stopping distance between the person in front of you and if you're stopping at any other location. Turning on 11th Street. Passing up here at Harvard and TU, be on the right here. don't slam your brakes. Be gentle. Applying your brakes. Even pump your brakes if you need to. But do not use a lot of force. Apply it to make a quick stop. You're more likely to skid and lose control that way. Just be gentle with your brakes. I'm now on 25th and Peoria. Snow's picked up. Got some nice scenery though. That's 41st Peoria. There's my Walmart. Yep. That's where I'm working. At 51st and Lewis. Oh, 20 miles an hour, about the best I think safe speed a car should do. Bound towards Harbor. Trucks. Heading eastbound on Interstate 44. Heading back 15th and Garnett. Kind of a small loop around town in this weather condition. If you use proper driving skills and common sense, you can get around just fine. Got about 4 inches of snow on the ground. About 4:45 p.m. Car, I'm gonna have to clean. Fun. Welcome to Oklahoma. Up at 11th and Garnett. About 4 to 6 inches of snow on the ground right about now. And it's 5:15 p.m. on January 29th, 2010. I'm going about 20. Third gear. Put it out of my gear or low gear. Back up by TU. 11th and Harvard. January 30th, 2010. About 2 p.m. Looks like we had about 10 inches of snow. You can see ice and snow on the trees and the houses and the cars. Just about everything else. See, it's on the roads. Yeah, pretty interesting storm. Just a month after the one we had in Christmas, which was a blizzard. Who would have figured? Welcome to Oklahoma.